Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. For years, law enforcement agencies were manually handling, documenting, and transferring evidence to the relevant officers. Hence, maintaining and securing the digital evidence from any sort of tampering became a major concern for them. After the innovation of digital evidence management systems, law enforcement agencies are provided with a platform where they can store and manage their digital evidence in a secure manner which ensures digital evidence integrity, enhances transparency and accountability. VIDIZMO DEM further provides the easiness of creating folders named as categories, under which the cases are stored, organized, and are easily accessible. Categories help to organize and search for relevant evidence within your portal. Evidence under the same category can be collectively bundled and stored, which further improves its search effectiveness. In this video, we will be looking at managing folders in VIDIZMO DEM. From the navigation menu on the portal's homepage, select Portal Settings in the Admin tab. Expand the Library tab and click Categories. Here you will see all the categories and subcategories that exist in your portal. You can add categories by clicking on Add Folder. Fill the name and description of the folder and click on the Add button to add the category. VIDIZMO DEM allows you to add a subcategory within a category. Subcategories concretes the search and facilitates the officer in searching and sorting the relevant evidence. You can add subcategory by clicking on the plus-shaped icon next to the category you want to add subcategory in. On the right-hand side, add a subcategory name and a brief description. The newly added subcategory will be visible by clicking the arrow available on the left of the category. You can edit categories and subcategories using the Edit button on the right side of the category. On the right-hand side, you can update the name and description of the category. Once you're done, click on Update to save the changes. You can also change the order of categories and subcategories by drag and drop. You can delete the categories and subcategories by clicking on the Delete icon on the right-hand side of the category. You cannot delete the default category General. When you click on the Delete button, you need to confirm the deletion of the category or subcategory by entering the name of that category or subcategory. Once you're done, click on Delete. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.